Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aurora. I make videos all about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget. And today I have a really awesome, epic, collective haul for you guys. I'm a little salty about it though. I'll tell you why in just a second. But I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff that I got for vacation. I actually leave next Tuesday. I'm filming this on Thursday, so I just have a little bit of time before I go. But you can see the big mess behind me is in fact a bunch of things I have to show you guys. The reason I'm salty is because I have been filming this video for a month, collective haul style, and I totally accidentally deleted all the footage this morning. I went to edit it and it was gone. Thankfully, I have like 2 clips that I will actually just insert at the end. I have a semi-annual sale that I'm going to be showing you, and then some other stuff that I got from Bath & Body Works a few weeks ago. But everything else, I'm just going to refilm and show you guys right now. Like I said, all of this is for summer, it's for vacation. I'm going to New York and DC, so I needed a lot of stuff, and I think I got some goods. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff I got from Dollar Tree, some stuff I got from the mall, the drugstore, beauty products, Amazon products, a ton of awesome stuff. So we're going to get right into this haul, but before we do, make sure that if you're new here, so we're gonna get right into it, but before we do, make sure to subscribe down below. I post new videos every single Monday and Friday. And as always, if you wanna follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the stuff I got from Dollar Tree. I got quite a lot of stuff. Dollar Tree is always my go-to when it comes to like packing because they have so many like mini sizes, travel sizes, stuff like that. Same name brand stuff from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I got, very summer, very excited for this. You guys know I'm all about hair, so I got these little elastics. I needed these. I don't have any little jelly small elastic bands. And I was going to just get clear, but they had these fun colors. I loved these pastel springtime colors, and these neon colors are very like 2008 Jersey Shore style. So I do fake nails all the time, and I always get asked what type of nail glue do I use. I just use straight up super glue. Now I always was kind of hesitant to tell you guys to use it for that, but it says on the bottle you can use it on nails. Now I don't know how good it is for you. We're not here to talk about that, but this is going to give you really good strength nails. So I really recommend this if you're looking for some good nail glue, and these are $1. I got more little clips. I'm always using these in my videos, and they always get lost, so it never hurts to get new ones, and I never had these little white ones. And then we got some ouchless little hair ties. Again, I don't know how many of these I will pack, how many I will keep at home, but every time I'm at Dollar Tree, I have to get my razors. These are just double razors. They come in a pack of 10, and they are so easy to use, so amazing. I love them. I have like an electric toothbrush, and I didn't really want to bring that when traveling, so I just got a pack of some toothbrushes. By the way, some of this stuff I have since opened because I thought the first time I filmed this video would be my only time, but that's okay. So I got some containers to organize. These are always good. I've talked about these before. I organize my jewelry in these and just in my house. But for traveling is even better because I can just take a fresh new one of these, take the jewelry that I already have organized, organize it again, and then I have a little to-go container of everything separated. I don't have to worry about anything kind of, you know, getting gathered together and messing up. So I wanted a bunch of like little bags to pack with. They didn't really have any, but they did have this one, so I picked that up. Again, with the organization, it just makes everything so much easier. So this is like a sandwich container that has a lock case to it, and I plan to put my hair accessories in this. Some travel size bottles. This one I have unopened. It comes with a spray bottle. So whenever I curl my hair, I like to pin it up to let it cool. So these are probably not the best claw clips, but just for what I need them for, which is cooling my hair down, I think they will work. So I got these for $1. It comes with 12. I got some travel size little caps for the toothbrushes. I got a travel size deodorant. I kind of messed up. I always wear the kind that doesn't have the antiperspirant. This kind does. I figured it's okay just for this trip because I'm usually really good about that, but I like the men deodorant, so that's what I got in the travel size. We got a few beauty products. So these are all from Wet n Wild. I decided just to get some new brushes. They have like a little contour brush, but I figured I would use that for blush. And then this one is a crease brush. We also got this. This is such cheap packaging. This is just a clear brow gel. I already got some from e.l.f., but I've been using it a lot. So this is going to be like my new kind. Some more little jars. These come with 3 and then like a little spatula. I figured I could find something to put in here. My mom picked this out for me and I thought it was cute. Like I said, we're going to be in DC and we're actually going to be there for 4th of July. So we found this little headband. I thought this would be cute with my hair down. Just with family, it's kind of cute and goofy. Another Wet n Wild product. This is a highlighter. It's very, very gold, so I'm not completely sure if I will end up using it as actual highlight or more for like inner corner eyeshadow, but I thought it was really, really pretty and I needed some highlighters, so this is a good little product to pack. Last 2 products, I figured this would be a little good pickup for the airplane, just some Clorox wipes. And then I got this. It's kind of bad quality now that I have it out of the little baggie that it came in, but I got this little brown mask. Okay, so let's talk Amazon. I got a few things from Amazon. These are the #1 thing I got. I've already worn them a bunch. They do get dirty really, really quickly, but they're basically just knockoff Yeezys. I got them in this like olive green color. Very, very comfortable. These were 20 bucks. Really excited to wear these over the summer. These are just great for literally any use. Another travel Amazon pickup. This is a little makeup train case. It has gold hardware. It's really, really good quality. Of course, everything from Amazon I will link down below, but it just has a bunch of spaces for your makeup, and then it does have a little compartment at the top for you to store brushes and such. So really, really high quality. I'm super impressed, and definitely needed the space for my makeup. Okay, I got 2 things sent from I&H. I'm not sure if I will end up traveling with either one of these, but they're very, very cute for the summertime, and they're 2 products that I've been dying to get my hands on. The first one is their Molly ponytail. She is essentially like a cheer pony. She has really tight ringlets, but when you brush her out, she becomes more of like a fluffy, natural, curly little pony. And then also I got this poppy wig. I've always wanted this. If you've been following me, a lot of people on my channel found me from my How to Grow Long Hair series. And the first video I made in that, I was showing you guys like what my hair used to look like when it was in a bob. I used to have brown hair before I dyed it black, but it was essentially this short. And I always contemplate going back to a bob because I really like the style, but with long hair, it's just like too much of a commitment to cut my hair short. So very excited to shoot some content in this, or just like play around with it for the summertime. So I needed to repurchase my favorite lipstick color, and I went to buy it and they were like sold out everywhere. I could not find it. I don't even know if they sell it in person anymore. This is the one and only color that I've put on top of every single lipstick ever. You can see how nubby it is. I've had this for like too long. So luckily they're on sale for $4. I totally would have bought more, but it like wouldn't let me. This is from Milani. This is Matte Innocence 60, and it's like the most beautiful nudie pink color. I don't have it on today, but I usually literally wear it over every single color ever. This was $4 and I got 4 of them, so hopefully I'll have these for a while. And then just to make sure that I got free shipping, I added 2 other lipsticks from the same line. These were also $4, but it's more of a deep matte plum. So I had it on today, this morning, but you can see it's just like a darker berry nude color. Really pretty to just kind of like diffuse all over the lips. I needed some new skincare too, so I got this, and I love the fact that Glossier always packages their stuff with the little makeup bag. This is one of their sets, so I got this all for $50. This is my go-to skincare. So it's just a Milky Jelly cleanser, the priming moisturizer rich. This is amazing for dry skin. And then it comes with a lip balm, and then with this little set I also get a balm.com of my choice. I've never tried this cherry one, and it gives a little bit of a red tint. So again, for summertime, I thought this was the perfect pick. Moving on to some drugstore favorites. Again, I bought these all new. I recorded it as soon as I got it, and my files got deleted. So some of these I've used. The first thing is a new contour palette. I wanted something more compact, and I just needed some new cream contour. So I've used it a ton. I really, really like it. From e.l.f., so it's super affordable. I got 2 of these. I've been using one, but this is just the Real Technique sponge. It comes with a carrying case. These are my favorite nails. I need to put some on. These are the acrylic nude medium French tip style from Kiss. I think I showed this in my summer haul, but I'm gonna show it again because I haven't opened it. This is the Dream Fresh BB cream. I use this every single day. I've been using my old one, so I'm excited to have a fresh new one to be able to use. I got this from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. It's just a contour highlight powder from Wet n Wild. Restocked on my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I wear the color Fair Warm and Light Sand. And then I also got a Fit Me concealer. This is my OG. I love this, and it's really good for like just a natural, quick, easy makeup look. I have a few unopened products that I probably showed you guys just sprinkled in other hauls, but I'm gonna just quickly run through them because I've been saving them for this. We have the Dream Angel Rollerball. We have this little Glamnetic Hello Kitty mirror. I showed you guys this. I used it just for that video, and then I put it back in the box because I wanted it to be brand new. Cannot wait to use this and just have it on the go, in my purse, whatever. We have a fresh Click Slick from I&H, a fresh little tanning mitt. I'm gonna bring some tanner, so I need something like this to just be able to apply it and not have to worry about bringing a used one. We have my Casetify case, which I've been waiting to put on my phone. How stinking cute is this? I'm so excited to have a new case just for summer. And my friend Jasmine, she actually works for I&H. She's such a doll. I love her so much. She made me a little cell phone holder, so definitely check her out. She will be at the top of the description box. But how stinking cute is this? It's a green little cell phone holder, and I've been saving it to attach to this case, so I cannot wait to put this on my phone. I'm going to do it like today or tomorrow because I'm just too excited. But shout out to Jasmine again for that. Make sure to check out her information in the description box. Okay, and then 3 last little random things, and then I will cut to my Bath & Body Works stuff that I got over the last couple of weeks. We went to IKEA. I got some stuff for the house. I'll have to show you guys later. This is just a little, you know, one of these little bags you put fruit in, but I just thought that that would be really cute to have for the summertime. And then from Forever 21, this my mom actually got for me, so thank you, Mom. It's just this little black Razorback tank. I thought this would be perfect to wear just like with a sports bra for like a really chill on the go running errands or like running around in the morning type of outfit. This was only $5 on sale, so very excited. A great essential. So let's look at what I got from Bath & Body Works. I look like a mess, but cheers. Visiting my family. I decided to stop at Cabazon. Oh my god, I look like such a mess. So let me first start off with what I got from Bath & Body Works. I may exchange some of these. I'm the queen of exchanging, okay? In the stars, I don't have a body lotion. In this, I have a body cream. Again, one of those things where if like I decide I want to exchange this for something new that comes out, I will, but there really wasn't anything that was intriguing me lately, and there were some products I really wanted to get rid of. So we got that. I got another raspberry jam donut shower gel. Amazing. And then I also got body cream in it. Next shower gel I got is berry waffle cone. They're very similar, but I definitely like raspberry jam donut more. I've never had this scent. I've never tried it. So this is gingham, first impression. Definitely like clean, a little florally. I think I like it. We got a new candle. This is Ice Blueberry Biscotti. Everything like blueberry scented from in like the candles I love and I live for. That's what I got from Bath & Body Works. And then I did go to a Victoria's Secret outlet. Very exciting because there's a few things that I've been wanting and I got them for a good deal. First of those is Gum Drop the Beat. I've never had this lotion, never smelt it. Oh, got it all over my face. Okay, this thing with Victoria's Secret Pink, I feel like all of their lotions smell a little bit like coconut. They need to bring back that purple one. What was it called? It wasn't, was it Sweet and Flirty? I also got Sugar High because I liked how the bottle looked. Yeah, this is coconut. They're all coconut. That's so annoying. They always do that to me. But then I got this for $15. I have so many roller balls of Dream Angel, and I've always wanted the full size, but the full size is $58, and I've never seen it on sale. Oh, I just realized there's a person sitting next to me this entire time. That's cool. Oh my gosh, look at it. That's an amazing smell. That is a scent. That's my haul. I'm gonna get back on the road now, but good little detour, very successful. We are at the mall and I graduated today. I walked across the stage. I graduated from UCR and we had like the main ceremony was online and then we had like a little walk across the stage moment. So that was really exciting. But what better way to celebrate than going shopping? I'm actually with my mom. She had to take another car. We had to like run somewhere. She's going to Barnes & Noble. I'm gonna run in. I'm trying to find something for Wendy Williams, which I'm going to like in a week. And I also want to go to the first day of the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. We're gonna go in right now and see what we find. Mom's in the car, so she will be watching my haul, but look how big this bag is. So we all know and love Kaleidoscope. Oh yeah. This is my OG scent. God, I look disgusting. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $3 and 37 cents each. That's a deal. Then they had a bunch of stuff I wanted, but it was 50% off, so I was like, trash. They had this, which was $4.95, which is expensive, I feel like, for semi-annual sale. But worth it for this scent because I love this scent. This is pink chiffon. Smell a little. She said it smells like candy. But I got the shower gel, the fine fragrance mist, lotion or body cream, I mean, and then also the lotion. So I got 4 of those. They had a bunch of the candle fragrances in this, but a lot of them stunk. But I wanted to try this fragrance before. This is the Boardwalk Waffle Cone, or Vanilla Waffle Cone, or just Vanilla Cone. Kind of just smells like vanilla bean. I don't really like it. Yeah, we don't really stand.
It's
but
like Christmas kind of.
But I got 2 of them, and they were only $3.62, and you can exchange them for a different candle, and these are originally $14.50. Last item, I didn't know I had this. I saw it when I went to check out. They randomly, I guess the account that I used was signed up for a birthday in July. Randomly, I guess that's when I made the account. For like the individual one?
Yeah.
Hater. I'll edit that out. Stocking service. Okay. I had a free up to $7.50 not on sale product. So I got this for vaycay. I already own this. We gotta go because somebody on her Facebook liked her status, so we're gonna go gossip. But that's everything I got from Bath & Body Works. Go like this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go down below, hit subscribe, and if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at RoryVelle with 3 L's and 1 E. Everything that I can link will be linked in the description box. Love you guys so much. Mwah! Bye guys.